pollution, global warming, deforestation. These are just some of the environmental issues we hear about every day. Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges, and some experts argue that we are at the beginning, or perhaps already in the midst, of a sixth mass extinction. Scientists state that when an individual is born during an extinction event, they do not realize it, as their lifespan is too short compared to the process itself. But is this really the case? Are we losing biodiversity without noticing it? What are the causes of this phenomenon, and most importantly, can we still do something to prevent it? Earth has already faced 5 mass extinctions, catastrophic events that have profoundly altered life on the planet. But is this 6th extinction an inevitable natural process, or is it something different? What exactly does mass extinction mean, and what is happening to our planet? Are we going extinct without realizing it? Extinction is a natural phenomenon. Species emerge, evolve, and over time, some disappear. However, a mass extinction is an extraordinarily drastic event, in which at least 75% of species vanish within a relatively short geological time frame. These events disrupt the global ecosystem, wiping out a wide variety of living organisms and drastically reducing biodiversity. To understand the impact of these extinctions, it is essential to define what we mean by species. Simply put, a species is a group of similar organisms that can reproduce with one another. For example, the lion is a species, as is the wolf. Both are further divided into subspecies: the African lion and the Asiatic lion, the gray wolf and the white wolf. When we talk about a mass extinction, we mean that entire species are being completely wiped out, leaving behind an ecological void that takes millions of years to fill. Throughout Earth's history, 5 major mass extinctions have occurred. 1. Ordovician Silurian, about 450 million years ago. A global glaciation caused sea levels to drop, destroying marine habitats and leading to the extinction of 85% of species. 2. Devonian, about 375 million years ago. An event that primarily affected marine life, causing the disappearance of 75% of species. 3. Permian Triassic, about 250 million years ago. The most devastating mass extinction, caused by intense volcanic activity in Siberia, which released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The resulting global warming and ocean acidification led to the extinction of 96% of species. 4. Triassic-Jurassic, about 200 million years ago. Another series of volcanic eruptions caused profound climate changes, wiping out about 80% of species. 5. Cretaceous-Paleogene, about 66 million years ago. The impact of an asteroid approximately 10 kilometers in diameter, which struck present-day Mexico, triggered wildfires, tsunamis, and a global winter, leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs and 75% of existing species. In each case, life took millions of years to recover. Many scientists believe that Earth is currently at the beginning, or in the midst, of a 6th mass extinction. What makes this event unique is that, unlike previous extinctions, it is not caused by natural phenomena, but by the activity of a single species: humans. While past extinctions took thousands or millions of years to unfold, this one is happening at an unprecedented speed. But when did it begin? It depends on the perspective. Some researchers believe that human impact on biodiversity started as early as 100,000 years ago, with the migration of Homo sapiens from Africa, a period marked by the disappearance of many large animals such as the mammoth and the megatherium. Others place the beginning of the 6th extinction around 10,000 years ago, with the Neolithic Revolution and the spread of agriculture. Finally, some argue that the turning point was the Industrial Revolution of the 19th century, which accelerated the rate of species extinction. The main causes of the 6th extinction are habitat destruction. The conversion of forests, grasslands, and other natural areas into farmland and urban settlements is depriving many species of their natural environment. And habitat fragmentation. The reduction and isolation of natural areas prevent species from finding food, reproducing, and migrating, leading them to extinction. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species disrupts ecosystems, leading to the disappearance of local species. Overhunting and poaching. Many species have been driven to extinction due to indiscriminate hunting. Climate change. Global warming is altering ecosystems and threatening the survival of many species. Pollution. Plastic, chemicals, and pesticides are poisoning wildlife and disrupting ecological balances. Our resource exploitation, overfishing, deforestation, and mining are destroying entire ecosystems. Although the situation is dire, it is not yet entirely irreversible. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, protecting natural habitats, limiting the spread of invasive species, and adopting sustainable practices are essential steps to slow down this crisis. Awareness and collective action are crucial to ensuring a future for our planet's biodiversity. Are we truly destined for a sixth extinction, or can we still change course? The answer depends entirely on us. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming videos.